Hey guys, LDPAJ here, and today we're going to be continuing Exploding Kittens. My deck, Peter's deck.
Wait, we're going to be playing the extreme version where you play with the whole deck.
Peter, videotape your cards.
What?
No,
What?
I mean,
Why?
like, show them all the cards you have.
Why?
Since you want to learn how to record.
No, I don't.
I'll
This is embarrassing. No!
My card. I'll do it first, okay? This one, Peter, no looking.
We don't need to. We don't need to have.
The upside down. Yeah, let's not show our cards. Okay,
You want to see the future?
I'll go first.
And you're bleeding completely. You're bleeding. You're bleeding. You're bleeding. You're bleeding.
You're lying.
You're bleeding.
No, you're
That
not.
means you're showing your cards. Okay, I'll go first. I play down and see the future.
Wait, I may have to nope it. Wait, Peter, we're supposed to put all our pairs out first. And the person with the most pairs gets. Okay, you cannot keep the cards.
I don't have any
Baboon.
pairs.
Baboon. Oh, I do. You baboon.
Fine, you need to go first then.
Okay, I have a hairy potato. Yeah, you probably should have too. I'm joking. It's of the ugly rainbow ralphing cats.
Well, then you get to draw a card from my hand. Random.
Baboon. Why do I keep saying baboon?
Because you got.
Ooh, I got a good card.
Okay, now you have to draw.
Baboon. Baboon.
You have to draw.
No, I don't. Not if I finish my turn.
No, you have to draw a card anyway.
No, we can.
Yeah, you do.
Don't make me place down a nope. And don't make me glue it to your forehead.
Just draw a freaking card.
No, thank you.
Hey, say everything one more time on the ground. Understood?
Yes.
Up?
Yes.
Oh, oops. I shared my card. Okay, place down this. Wait, no. Oh, yeah, I just had my turn.
I asked you for two favorites. 1, 2. I get to pick 2 random
Wait,
cards.
wait.
Oh, you have to give me 2.
I have an idea. Nope.
That only goes to 1, so you have to give me another random card.
Okay, I'll give you the first one. Wait, I need to stand up my terrible card. The shuffle.
Okay.
No one ever shuffles unless they say baboon.
Baboon.
Peter, oh, did you? Oh yeah, you just ended. Okay. I'm lucky. I'm a human. Just for human. I got a pair again of hairy potatoes, except they're better.
Okay. You don't get 2.
Okay, oops.
You picked this one.
No, Peter, let me redo it.
Then I have to reshuffle.
Baboon. Ooh. Baboon.
Now you have to draw.
Baboon. No, I get to finish my turn if I were.
Fine.
Okay, I just ended my turn. Baboon. I did see into the future. Oh, I forgot to show you the cards. Baboon. Baboon. Am I such
Wait, no, it doesn't go in it. This goes with
Am I just a good friend or what?
Yeah, you're a great friend.
Okay, I shouldn't.
Wait and shuffle the Cupid. Shuffle. What's down, down, down.
What's your dog doing? Ew,
Licking
that's.
her butt.
You be quiet.
Go.
Well, at least your cat's not like it. Ooh, what should I do? How should? Why is there a random shuffle card? Did you shuffle it?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna sing the little booster. After BABOON shuffled it. Okay, one card. Two card. Three card. Let me set it down. Down. Your turn.
Dang it. Skip.
Okay. BABOON. Wait, we never drawed the cards. Oh wait, yeah. Shuffle it. That means you shuffle it. And
I have to shuffle it?
yeah. You do. You have to shuffle it. Shuffle it and shuffle it and
That
shuffle
actually
it.
helps you, you know.
Ooh. Look at my hand, people. You just died. I had 2 diffuses compared to a person who just died in the beginning of the game. Hey, cats must just hate you. Wait, we're gonna end the video with the whole another one. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep calm and jam on LDP AJ out.